What if your laptop had not one, but two OLED touchscreens, and could transform into a book, a tablet, a dual-display powerhouse, or anything you need it to be? This is the Lenovo Yoga Book 9i, and it's not just innovative, it's revolutionary. This isn't your average laptop. The Lenovo Yoga Book 9i is the world's first full dual-screen OLED laptop, and it's changing the way we work, create, and consume content. You're getting two gorgeous 13.3-inch 2.8K PureSight OLED displays that deliver deep blacks, vibrant colors, and endless versatility. Stack them vertically, side by side, or detach the Bluetooth keyboard and use the folio stand for presentation mode. The possibilities are endless. Powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i7-1355U processor on the Intel Evo platform, this machine is as powerful as it is flexible. With 16GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, you get seamless multitasking and fast storage for all your files, edits, and creative projects. What's more? You get the full setup out of the box: Bluetooth keyboard, Lenovo stylus, and a folio stand, all included. This isn't just a laptop, it's a full creative and productivity suite in Tidal Teal style. For digital nomads, creators, professionals, or multitasking maniacs, the Yoga Book 9i isn't a gimmick. It's the real deal. This dual-screen experience is something you need to see and feel to truly appreciate.